In high speed this time? Hey folks, Fat Guy Flies RC. We're going to take up the X-Fly twin 40 F-22 again, and Raptor. I've got an 1800 4S in there right now. We're on high rates, which is 100% throws, over 40% expo, all the way around. She's a bank and yank only, and I figured my steering issue. All right, got an 1800 in there, so she should be a little more responsive, a little bit quicker, but I set the timer back to 3 minutes instead of 4 minutes because I'm used to running a 2600. All right, here we go. Oh yeah, she gets up on the deck quicker. Yeah, I can't explain it. A little bit down elevator needed. Cobra. The new AS3X 3 Plus is what this is. Receiver is now programmed to, updated to, and it's an AR631. The AS3X just seems more intuitive, if that makes any sense. Not even a full throttle turn or roll there. Okay, we're going to do another Cobra.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Turning it kind of tight here. Full speed, and we'll go straight up with it. What a great, stable little EDF. All right, let's land her. Completely out of the power now. All right, take off again. Great flying little jet. Nice slow roll.
1 minute.
Now we're going to do a loop. All right. All right, start slowing our roll down, bring it in for our final approach. Out of the power completely. She's gliding in. Back into just a touch of power. And just high alpha her in. Almost Harrier dropper. Can't do that with a real big one because it tears the gear up. But this thing is such a tough little bird. I could have timed that just a little bit better. Let me check the battery. We might go up one more time. Like I said, I've only got an 1800 in there, so. But I'll tell you right now, these mosquitoes are bad. These mosquitoes are cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs and loving me and baby. Nope, 33%. I don't want to push it. All right, well, we will fly it again, that's for sure. All right, well, that's an 1800. If you look, I'm going to go ahead and take the battery out because I want to show you something about this battery bay. You see the wooden tray in there? Okay. All right. That wooden tray has a little lip there, the foam lip, and then of course it stops back there. A 2600 takes up that entire tray. So the 1800 has to go all the way up to here. You can't go any further because then you get into the tiller arm. And so an 1800 is as small as you're going to want to go, and a 2600 4S is as big as you're going to want to go. So I've yet to try it on a 2200. I still had 28 seconds left, and I had 33% left on an 1800. So I'm saying three minutes only on an 1800. A 2200 will get you a full 3.5 minutes, and a 2600 will get you a full 4 minutes. If you're flying crazy like me. Great flying little plane. F-22s are naturally inherently stable. It's not impossible to stall them, but they have a very low stall rate. The big free wing 90mm F-22 is very hard to stall. But it will. Every plane will stall. Just not enough lift and you drop like a brick. Folks, anyways, that's the X-Fly Twin 40 F-22. Great flying little plane. Sent to me by Banana Hobby. That's where you can get yours. That's where I got mine. God bless y'all. Y'all have a good, and don't forget, faith, family, and friends, God is good, and that's an F-22. Bye-bye.